Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up the Bither wallet on multiple devices. First, download the Bither wallet from the App Store or Play Store. Once installed, open the Bither wallet application on your first device and complete the initial setup if you haven't already. If you are setting up a new wallet, follow the prompts to create one. If you already have a wallet on another device, select the Import Wallet option. Go to your Bither application and log in to your wallet. After that, click on the wallet you want to import and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you can see your private key. Click on the private key management button and click on private key option from here. After that, type in your password and click on OK button. Here, you will get your private keys. Copy the private key and import it on the another device. After importing, verify that your all fund and transaction history are visible. This confirms that the wallet setup was successful. If you have more devices, repeat this step to set up your wallet on each one. And that is how you can set up a Bither wallet on multiple devices. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.